background is spick and span. Clean as can be. Welcome back to my channel, everybody. Today I have a special guest that you all have been begging me to bring on board, and his name is... Why would you turn on the fan? Why would you turn on the fan?
It's hot in here, and my guess is it's only gonna get hotter.
Oh my god.
You want me on here sweating like a pig? What do you want?
My dad! Yay! He has been my dad for 19 years.
All your life? 19. Hey, we're a week away from... How close are we to
20?
Yeah.
Guess what? Yesterday was my birthday! Yay! So say happy birthday in the comments because it's still my birthday. June 15th, June 16th, same difference. For this video, my father will be doing my makeup.
Woohoo.
Yeah, I know. So I guess we're just gonna get started because there's no real introductions to this. He's my father.
No introduction needed, of course.
So we're just gonna jump in, huh?
Oh,
what do we start off with? Padre?
Whoa. Am I supposed to know what all of this stuff is supposed to do?
I helped him out and I laid out at least like 4 steps for him.
Well, you should have put them in sequential order.
Why would I do that?
Because I have no idea what I'm doing.
That ruins the fun.
I have no idea what I'm doing. I have no idea.
What do we start with?
I don't know. What do you want me to start?
Start with
messing
foundation.
You up with? Foundation.
Actually, we start with primer.
Primer.
But I don't ever wear my makeup out, so I don't like prime.
Okay. No prime this time.
We're gonna use that one.
Okay. Any gloves? Just go.
Gloves? No.
So to all of viewers at home, don't try this at home.
Scared.
We're gonna start with foundation. Foundation goes on the face as a foundation to give you a solid base. The base that you're looking for is foundation. With a great foundation. Take two. Take two. Everyone knows a great foundation is the key to the perfect look. So we're going for perfection. Although I have no idea what I'm doing. Literally. But we're going for great foundation. To start off. Journey, I just don't want to mess up your pretty face. This could go real bad. This could go really bad, really quick. FYI, I've never put on makeup before. Myself or anybody else. So this could go downhill quick. For the viewers at home, don't try this at home. That's the bottom line. That's down in the comments. I came into the video, picked up the foundation, and I'm about to apply it on my daughter's face. I've done none of this. No practice. I have no experience. Zero. Zilch. Not just saying. I'm saying, but I'm just saying.
He's just saying.
I'm not saying, but I'm just saying.
Clarification.
Which, as we all know,
he's stalling.
We found it.
Closer would work best.
So you want to help me out because there are 100 brushes on here. You want to
No.
You're gonna point me. Okay, then. You can't smile because your dimples are taking over.
Sorry.
Close your eyes so I don't poke you.
Oh, you ain't gotta get all the way up there.
Okay, so I don't have to get over there. Okay, so
yeah, you're good.
all right. So you're not telling me where to go, but then you're telling me where to go.
You forgot about my forehead.
Oh, right here.
Well, we're gonna spread it out.
We're gonna
remember?
spread it
Yeah,
out.
we're gonna spread it
We're
out.
gonna spread it out. This is gonna spread it out, right?
Mhm.
That's what we're doing, but spread it out.
You wanna be a baller, shot caller.
Right. 20-inch blades on an Impala. Impala, getting ready tonight. Looking long time, couldn't hate it, right? I'm hit the highway, making money to fly away. Then it's gonna be a better day.
Okay, next we do concealer. Oh no, Daddy! You closed it on top of it. You didn't.
Right.
Have you looked at makeup videos like
Absolutely.
I told you to?
No, I did not. Sorry. Okay, so where am I highlighting that?
Under the eyes, on the forehead, bridge of the nose, the chin.
Guys, close under.
Yeah. Out. And then underneath the cheekbones, just like a line. No, I'm going like that. And then yeah. Just blend it.
Under the eyes.
But don't stab me.
Don't stab you. Shouldn't you close your eyes?
No, but you gotta get it underneath.
I'm thinking you probably want to close it.
No.
Or want to put your eye out.
No, it's the risk you have to take.
Really? Beauty is risky.
But see, I'm so used to it. My eyes aren't even like
Yeah, and I'm not, so you're gonna lose an eye. And this just blends up here in the middle like that?
Yeah.
Okay, I think I did that.
What are you doing?
Yes, what else do I do? What?
It was eyelash.
Yeah, it's hard to make it. Let's just spray it on the chin, east and west.
East and west. Things like that. Okay, no, I can't laugh or else it's gonna mess it up again. I laughed, you gotta fix it again.
Stop laughing so much.
It's hard!
Nothing's funny. Stop laughing.
You have to set underneath my eyes with that.
That's not getting everywhere.
It is.
You sure you know that's right?
Now we're gonna do my eyebrows. Now do you
sure you want to get that off your face first? You want me to use the eyebrow, the thing that gets close to your eyes?
No, this my eyebrow.
Oh, the brow. Okay.
You're gonna take this, you're gonna dip it in here, and then you're gonna draw my eyebrow on. Now, I already have eyebrows, so it's not that hard. So don't do too much.
Yes, I can do this. This looks easy.
I like the determination.
Just going right over your.
Yep.
No, God! No, God!
Alright, now Daddy. This looks a hot mess. But it's okay because we can clean it up.
Oh, this is what you told me to do. Look, this will take it down.
Where the hell?
Look, it's going. Boom. Like a Picasso. Yeah, neatly jacking you up. And if I wish you all.
Why are you singing?
It relaxes me. Just to make sure that I don't poke you in the eye.
My eyes closed!
I know, but you're very fidgety.
You just come for me like that?
Move around a lot. You move around a lot. I'm afraid I could accidentally poke you in the eye because you're very fidgety. You don't sit still, but not very antsy. You need to lay out the coffee.
I have to go to work.
You built for this. You built for this.
Okay.
Oh, I told you! Why'd you just do that?
Pick 3 colors.
3? You just asked me what's my favorite. Just be
you know
random.
what? Let's play it safe and do 2.
All right. G Willikers, okay. Am I supposed to use my fingers here?
No! Do it.
Dab it?
Yeah, dabbing's good.
Dab. Dab, 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 dab.
Daddy, you know the woe.
The woe? I think it is. You keep opening your eyes, you're gonna get poked. Keep opening your eyes, you're gonna get poked. Little girl, I told you. You keep opening your eyes. I'm gonna put your eye out. Stop playing.
Okay, let's add another color. Let's get crazy. Let's add some blue.
You ain't said nothing. I got you,
Let's
baby
add
girl.
some blue.
I got you, baby girl.
Let's add some blue.
I got you, baby girl.
Let's add some. Are you listening to me or are you just talking?
Because I'm looking at it so I can tell what goes next.
Green and gold. You gotta do some more. You have to put some more on it. There you go. That's enough. You're good. You're good. It actually doesn't look that
Stop
bad.
opening your eyes.
Okay.
I told you I got a knack for this.
He's where I get my skills from.
Yeah.
This talent, these talented hands come from him.
DNA.
It's in the DNA. I got creativity and artistry.
My DNA.
Boom.
Right side is gonna look at the left side. There, right there. Over what I already put there.
Oh, you put something there?
I thought I did. All right. Stop fidgeting. Relax. Relax your mind. Let your body be free. Gets down to the sound of EPMD.
You sing a lot.
Yeah,
Oh my gosh.
That's old school for real.
Cool. How does that?
Man, that's really great. That's awesome.
Yeah, it looks good, don't
That's
it?
turning out really good.
Watch out, Sephora. He said,
Stop. You gotta lose an eye. Really? It's gonna be difficult.
That's your job as a makeup artist.
You have to stop flinching.
Flinching.
This will put your eye out.
Daddy, that's not like a threat.
That's not a threat. It's a promise. Stop laughing.
It was funnier. You're doing great.
They look awesome.
You're doing great.
This would be the highlights. Welcome to the world of highlight.
Why are you going down so far?
I don't know. I don't know.
Oh, it just look bad.
Of course not, because I'm a professional. You gotta go right above the dimple. You go right above the dimple. This is exactly what you want to know. These are Saskatchewan highlights.
What?
This is lipstick?
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm a little bit old school, but didn't know lipstick come like
Do you want to do the other ones?
I thought you used
You want to use the ones that you see in the movies?
I mean, and this is Mac. The Mac attack is back. Not to be confused with Khalil Mack, the Defensive Player of the Year for the Chicago Bears.
What?
And we're painting this on your lips. Do you have to do that? Can you just leave your lips like that?
But you can't make me laugh.
All right.
You messed up.
This is serious time. Dick, stay in character now.
Ta-da! Mommy, answer your phone!
Ooh, nice.
That's
Wait,
all,
Daddy.
folks. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day. If you stayed to the end of the video, which I know you did because you clearly see this part, leave a like.
Like and subscribe.
And I'll see you guys in my next one.
And comment.
And comment and peace.